that's now coming in is that Delhi sources are telling us that the Delhi police is trying to record the statement of Swati Maliwal. Maliwal has claimed that she was assaulted at the residence of the chief minister, and so far no case has been registered. Now, if Swati Maliwal goes ahead and records her statement, the Delhi police will file the statement once the case is registered. The police then, now we are telling you what could possibly happen once the statement is given or the complaint is filed. The police, once it starts the investigation, will reconstruct the sequence of events and will try to access the CCTV footage. Tejshri, this becomes very important. Police currently, over the last 3 days, 13th is when this incident took place. 9:30, around 9:30 to 9:35 was when the PCR call went in. After that, Swati Maliwal was also at the Civil Lines police station after the SHO asked her to go there. Since then, there are multiple attempts that have been made to connect with Swati Maliwal. The Delhi police approached her at least 3 to 4 times in the last few days. Currently, they are at her residence. So that's the latest that's now coming in, and Tejshri will be joining us in a minute from now. But what we are getting to know from our sources is that the Delhi police, which is currently at Swati Maliwal's residence, is trying to record her statement. Once the statement is recorded of the incident that took place, the case then will proceed. And Tejshri, as you report this incident, sources are also telling you that the minute a complaint is filed, the investigation will begin. Cops will try to reconstruct what happened, and their focus will be on to getting the CCTV footage from the CM's residence. Is that right?
Well, absolutely, that is right. And in fact, the first thing that cops are focusing right now is just the statement of Swati Maliwal. As soon as the former DCW chief, the current Rajya Sabha member from Aam Aadmi Party, from National Capital, records a statement, gives a statement to the Delhi police, who is still currently here at a residence from where we are reporting right now. At that particular point of time, a complaint will be lodged.
And for the want of time, I'll have to interject, but do stay with us because we are keeping a razor-sharp focus on this story. The Delhi police currently is at Swati Maliwal's residence. Will she file a statement? Will she give a complaint? We are keeping a close watch on that, taking a short break here on Times Now. Stay with us.